14.1 in that question number 7. To find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million, that is ppm, the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. So concentration of sulfur dioxide, that is in parts per million, so that is equal to 0 to 0.04, 0.04 to 0.08, like this he has given. So find the mean concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air. See here, this multiplication may not be having big numericals, so we will go for this direct method here. Here for that I will put a table here. This is table I have put here. Concentration. This is concentration of sulfur dioxide in ppm, and here frequency, that is Fi. 0.002, 0.04 and 0.04 to 0.08, 0.08 to 0.12, 0.12 to 0.16, 0.16 to 0.20, that is 0.20 to 0.24. Here the frequencies, this is 2, 4, 2, 9, then 9, 4. So here this is 9, 4. So now we have to calculate this Xi. Xi is the class mark. Class mark is equal to, that is 0.04 plus 0.00 by 2. This is equal to 0.04 by 2 equal to 0.02. So this is equal to 0.02. And here 8 plus 4, 12. That is 0.06. 0.06. And here 0.10 here. Because 0.12, 0.08. Here 0.20. So this is equal to divided by 2 means 0.1. So now 0.1. Here 0.14. And this is 0.18. And this is 0.22. Because 0.24, 0.20. That is equal to 0.44. Divided by 2 means 0.22. Okay. So now here Fi into Xi we have to multiply. So this into this I have to make. So 4 into 0.02 means 0.08. So 9 6 are 54, that is 0.54. So 9, that is 0.90. And 0.28, 14 into 2. So 18 into 4, that is 72, that is 0.72. So now this is 0.44. So sigma Fi into Xi, this is equal to what? Here total addition, this is equal to 2.96. So sigma of Fi, this is equal to 30. 6, 8, 17, 21, 30. Okay. So now here the mean is given by sigma Fi into Xi divided by sigma Fi. So this is equal to 2.96 divided by 30. 296 divided by 2 digits we have to take here, 32 digits. So here after that, so here this is 1000. Okay. So here 3 ones are 1000, 3, 986, that is 2.7. So this is equal to 0.0986. So this is approximately 0.099. Okay, this is ppm. So this mean. So now we will go for next one. So exercise 14.1 in that question number 8. A class teacher has the following absentee record of 40 students of a class for the whole term. Find the mean number of days a student was. Here I will write a table, number of days, whatever given I will write here. So number of students. Here this is absentee statement. Okay, this is frequency. So here 0 to 6, 0 to 6 and 6 to 10, 10 to 14, 14 to 20, 20 to 28, 28 to 38 and here 38 to 40. So now here this is equal to 11, 10, 7, 4, 4, 3, 1. So now here, so this is Fi and Xi we will calculate. So I will go for this one direct method only because this is less number of numericals are there. So Xi, this Xi is nothing but here class mark. Class mark Xi is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. 6 plus 0 by 2 is equal to 3. This is 3 and this is 10 plus 6, 16 by 2, that is 8. So 14, that is 10 plus 14, 24 by 2, that is 12. So 12 and here 17, that is 14 plus 20, 34, 17, 48. that is 24. So this is 66, that is 33. Here this is 33 and this is 39. Okay, that is middle. So xi, see here this is middle term, 0 to 6, 6 to 10, 10 to 14 and 14 to 20. So here the middle term we have to take. Okay, our class, see the class intervals are not same here. Here 38 to 40 is, that is only 2 difference is there. Here 10 difference is there, 8 difference is there, 6 difference is there, 4 difference is there. Okay, this is also 4, this is 6. See the class interval is not equal here. Okay, so now we have to careful in writing this xi also. So 30, this is middle term. This plus this divided by 2 we have to make here. So 28 plus 38 divided by 2, because this is 66. So now here fi into xi we will calculate here. So fi into xi means this into this, 11 into 3, 33. So here 80. So 12 7 ja 84. So here 37 into 4. 37 into 4 is, sorry, this is equal to 17. Okay, so this is 17. Okay, that is 14 plus 20, 34 by 2, that is 17. So 17 into 4. 17 into 4 means here 17 into 4 means 60. This is 68. So here 96 and here this is 99 and this is 39. Okay, so now here sigma of fi into xi, this is equal to total, this comes to 499. So now sigma into fi is equal to what? This is equal to, this comes to 40. Okay, so the mean is equal to sigma of fi into xi divided by sigma of fi. So this is equal to 499 divided by 40. Okay, so this can be calculated as, that is x bar is equal to, this is 12.4. The answer is 12.48. That is number of, that is days. 12.48 is the mean number of days that he has absent. That is mean these days, mean number of days the students were absent. Okay, we will go for next one. So exercise 14.1, in that question number 9, the following table gives the literacy rate of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. So here percentage literacy rate we have to calculate. So here it comes, see big number of numerals here. We will go for this assuming mean method here. Assuming mean method. This method will go. So now I will put a table here. This is equal to, here literacy rate, here literacy in percentage. Here number of cities, that is equal to fi. Here I will write 45 to 55 percentage, 55 to 65 percentage, 65 to 75 percentage, 75 to 85 and 85 to 95. And here number of cities, that is equal to 3, 10, 11, 8, 3. So now here xi, that xi we have to calculate, that is middle term. Xi is equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit divided by 2. So this is equal to 45 plus 55 divided by 2. So this is 100 by 2 equal to 50. So xi is equal to here 50. In the same way, this is 60, this is 70, 80, 90. And here this a assuming mean method means assume mean, that is a is equal to, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is in the third group we will take, that is assume mean, that we will assume as a 70. Xi minus a, that is 50 minus 70 equal to minus 20. 60 minus 70 equal to minus 10. 70 minus 70 equal to 0. 80 minus 70 equal to 10. 90 minus 70 equal to 20. Here xi minus a divided by h. H is class interval. That is equal to h, which is equal to upper class limit minus lower class limit. And here 55 minus 45 equal to 10. This is equal to 10. Minus 20 divided by 10 is equal to minus 2. Minus 10 divided by 10 is equal to minus 1. 0 by 10 equal to 0. 10 by 10 equal to 1. 20 by 10 equal to 2. Now here this is sigma, this is equal to ui. Okay, sigma into fi into ui. This into this fi. Minus 2 into 3 equal to minus 6. Minus 1 into 10 minus 10. 0 into anything 0. 1 into 8 8. 2 into 3 6. So sigma Fi into Ui here is equal to 8 plus 6 14. This is minus 16, so minus 2. So sigma Fi is equal to 8 plus 3 11 22 32 35. Here this is 35 because here 35 cities. Mean is equal to A plus H into sigma Fi Ui divided by sigma Fi. A is equal to 70 plus H means here this is equal to 10. Okay, 70 plus 10 into here minus 2 divided by 35. So this is equal to 70 plus here minus 20. This is 70 minus 2 into 10 minus 20 divided by 35. So here minus 20 by 35, that will be equal to 0.57. This is 70 minus 0.57. So which is equal to 69.43. 69.43. This is percentage because here literacy rate. So mean of this mean literacy rate is equal to 69.43%. Okay, thank you.